Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some elderberry syrup, yes, in the spring, and we're going to be using that syrup to make two different recipes that you can make all spring and summer long. This is my herbal stash that I don't use enough. I have so many good things in here that I need to put to use. Some studies suggest that elderberries can inhibit viral replication and potentially reduce the severity of duration of colds and flu symptoms. The ingredients to this elderberry syrup are elderberries, obviously, cinnamon sticks, cloves, ginger, and then I'm adding some echinacea and some rose petals. Okay, so I'm going to start out by adding all the ingredients into the pot. If you're looking for a good place to source herbs, you can look at Mountain Rose Herbs online. I got some of these from Herbal Academy when I took some herbal courses a few years ago, and I think my mother-in-law got this kit for me on Amazon. And then we're going to add 3 cups of water. Cover that. This one's kind of strong, so that should be good. It says it should be a really deep, dark red color, which I do remember last time.
Not clear.
It's okay.
Can we finish one? Mom,
Yeah?
do you finish your water?
Mm-hmm.
Do you finish your water? Eat them. Like Grandma Danny's. Can't believe it. Or those.
Now that our elderberry syrup is made, we are going to make some ice pops, as my kids like to call them, just popsicles. We are going with a lemon elderberry flavor. If I was to do this again, I would opt out of using all the other spices and herbs in the syrup and just go for a plain old elderberry flavor so that the ice pops weren't as herbal, but I really like it and it gives off a nice like tea flavor, so I don't mind it. But if I was to do it again, I would just stick with plain old elderberries. I found a super easy recipe for making lemon popsicles at home. All you need is a mold. I found this silicone one on Amazon, and all it was whole milk, heavy whipping cream, and sugar and lemon juice. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the milk mixture in with some of the elderberry syrup at the bottom, just a little bit before I pour everything. Maybe it'd be the same, but I figured it would help it not be so watery and be a little more creamy at the top. Might be able to make a double batch of these.
There's 11.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Not 12?
This is 11. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Wow. I'm gonna put this piece on to make sure it's secure, and then you can help me get the popsicle sticks on. Okay, ready?
The bait, go right to mouth.
Late to put them on because I realized it would be kind of hard to put them in the freezer.
Hey. Got ya.
On to the lemonade. Next is a elderberry lemonade. When we finished it, it reminded me of a berry Arnold Palmer, giving like a tea and lemonade flavor. So if you like that, you will definitely like this. It's super refreshing and a great way to get some herbs into your kids' diets if that's something that you've been wanting to do. We make homemade lemonade quite often. All we do is juice a few lemons, dilute that with water, and then either make a simple syrup. In this case, we don't have to do that because we have the elderberry syrup. It didn't turn out as sweet as usual, and we just left it like that. I think it tastes really good, but you can also up the sweetness by adding more honey or making a simple syrup. Twist it tight. Great. Purple those. I'll get them.
They're lemon.
Lemon berry.
They taste so good.
Yeah, I'll be out in a few minutes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing.
Can I say bye too?
Yeah. Go ahead.